Let's take a leap into a revolutionary form of giving that transcends borders and transforms lives worldwide. And this year, you are invited to join a groundbreaking giving campaign that promises to make a lasting impact on global health. Imagine a world where your generosity not only helps save and improve lives in developing countries, but also offers a unique opportunity for personal growth. This is precisely what Actuate Giving campaign aims to achieve. By participating, you become a vital force in enhancing global health while simultaneously benefiting from a new and innovative approach to giving. Now let's break down the mechanisms of giving in this campaign. The giving process is streamlined into 4 distinct and empowering ways. 1. Obtain Actuate tokens. Convert your swappable assets, such as Ether or Binance Coin or any other liquid token, into Actuate tokens on popular platforms like Metamask, Pancake Swap, QuickSwap, Uniswap, Uniswap, and more. 2. Create liquidity pool. Take your giving to the next level by creating an Actuate and Ether liquidity pool on any decentralized exchange, expanding the reach of your impact. 3. Supply liquidity to Actuate. Directly contribute to the liquidity of Actuate by supplying your assets to any liquidity pool, ensuring the sustained growth of this transformative initiative. 4. Gift liquidity creation. Extend the spirit of giving by gifting someone else the opportunity to create a liquidity pool, multiplying the positive effects of your generosity. Here is the fun part about this giving. As more individuals contribute to the giving campaign, the value of Actuate grows. In the spirit of retroactive public good funding explained to us by Bob Dresser of Optimism Foundation, each giver benefits from the appreciation of Actuate, creating a sustainable cycle of giving and receiving. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Or let's redefine the meaning of giving. Join us in the giving campaign for global health, where your generosity becomes a catalyst for positive change. Embrace the future of philanthropy, empowered by blockchain, and experience the joy of giving like never before. Seize this opportunity to be a pioneer in a new era of giving. Obtain Actuate tokens on any decentralized exchange, swap your liquid assets into Actuate token, create liquidity pool. Supply liquidity. Help someone to create, swap, create and supply liquidity on any decentralized exchange now and contribute to the giving campaign for global health. Together, let's make a difference that transcends borders and transforms lives. Your generosity matters, and the time to act is now. Join us in shaping a healthier and more compassionate world through the power of blockchain-driven giving. Again, take the opportunity to be merciful, for you will be blessed. For blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy.